Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, I'm starting off in the car. I look like an absolute slob. You can see spots are on full force and everything like that, but it's currently 9:15 on a Sunday morning. We only have one car at the moment, which is my car. So rather than Matt driving it to work, I've taken him to work this morning just so I can have the car and kind of like go about my day, as I'm having the car on Tuesday as well. But because I'm having my implant fitted, I just don't know how well I'll be, and I need to do like a Tesco shop on that day, so I don't want to like do all of these things on one day just in case I didn't feel very well. So I thought I would just take the car today, and I'm going to take you along with me to B&M, Home Bargains, and I need to nip in B&Q as well. But yeah, this morning I've literally just come to Starbucks as I've got about an hour to kill. So I've got a little Starbucks up there, and I'm just at the drive-thru. I've already been through and I've got my little Starbucks here. And can we just appreciate, apart from this little wipe here which I use to wipe down my steering wheel, look how clean and tidy my car is. Matt cleaned it when he went to work yesterday, and he did the outside as well, and it's blooming amazing. Like, thanks so much Matt if you're watching. Just because I haven't done it in ages, and I do eat in the car, so it does get like crumbs and stuff, but it looks brand new, to be honest with you, now he's cleaned it. But yeah, I'm gonna go to those shops. There's not really anything in particular that I want. I just want to have like a little browse. I literally haven't been out of the house because I've been working from home, so like I haven't been out of the house during lockdown, which is a bit weird because before I mean I'm still a key worker, so I have to work, but I was a key worker that had to go like into work and face the public. So I'm like, with my new job I don't have to do that because I'm at home, so it's just a bit weird, to be honest, that I haven't been out of the house. Like, so I just feel like I needed it, and I want to get some like Febreeze and like maybe some toilet cleaner, because I see these people on like TikTok and they have this stuff and it like fizzes the toilet up, and I really want to try that because I think it looks really cool. And who thought I'd be getting excited over toilet cleaner? But I have a week off this week, and I'm finally going to paint the bathroom. And I'll probably do like a video about it as well, although it's a bit annoying because I don't have any before clips anymore, because my phone broke unfortunately in October, so I lost all of the photos of the before clips. And I'm going to paint some bedside tables or like cupboards that my auntie gave me as well, and I've already primed them, so they're already like kind of white, and they were like pure brown wood before. I don't have a before photo of them either, so I'm kind of bummed out, but I'm still going to do a video and you can see like the transformations and things like that. The bathroom one might not be out for a while just because I need to get like the other bits that go in the bathroom as well. I'm definitely going to start filming it this week and paint the bathroom because I've been meaning to do it for ages, and the paint is from my nanny and I don't want it to like dry out or anything because the can's already open and I've left it a little while. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just drink my Starbucks now and go on Instagram for a bit, and then hopefully shops will open soon. Guys, so I'm in B&M car park now, just waiting for it to open. I think I've got about 10 more minutes. But yeah, I'll probably take my phone in if I record anything in there. But yeah, just literally waiting outside. So fingers crossed and go in a minute. In B&M, I spent £44. I don't even know what I bought, but I will show you when I get home. I'm not going to go to Home Bargains just because I want to get on with my day, and I feel like it's just going to have the same things as B&M, so I might go there later on in the week, see how I feel. I might go on the way home from getting my implant, as that is on the way back, so that's probably a good idea. So we'll go there on Tuesday in a different video, so I do apologise, but I'm now going to go to B&Q and then Tesco's. And yeah, because my mum starts a new job tomorrow, so I'm going to get her a little card and a bunch of flowers, so I think that'll be nice. me where I put you, but just got my mum some little tulips from Tesco's and a little good luck card, so I'm just going to write that quickly now and then drop it off as her house is on the way home. And then once I'm home, I'll show you what I got in B&M and B&Q, although B&Q is not that exciting, I feel like. But I'll still show you anyway. And then in Tesco's I just got some foil as well because we ran out, and I know Matt's going to want to use it to cook. So yeah. But I probably won't film me giving these to my mum because she's probably in her PJs when she answers the door. But yeah, I'll see you when we get home. So I've just got home. I'm going to quickly have a bath and sort of make my face look a little bit more presentable, and then I'll show you what I got today and what I purchased. And yeah, I'm really excited to show you what I got. Hello, so I'm back as promised, so that I would show you everything that I bought today. I've had a lovely bath. I had a bath bomb from Lush, and then I also have just put on like really light makeup. I know you can kind of still see like my acne through it, but I kind of just wanted to wear like light makeup, make myself feel sort of better about myself today, and yeah. So that's the reason why, and I do just feel so much nicer, and I'm just in like a cozy matching pink set that Louis got me for Christmas. No, it's my birthday actually, he bought this for me. Yeah, but it's just cozy, so I wanted to be cozy, but I might go out for a walk later and change. Anyway, so I'll just quickly show you what I got from B&Q first, as I literally only got 2 things from there. But the first thing that I got was sandpaper. I know, very exciting. I got it in like 120 grain, just to kind of like rub any bumps off of the walls that we might have, and just lightly rub off the swatches that we've got on the walls. And then I also bought frog tape as well, just to keep the lines sharp around like the edges, as I'm only painting on one wall and I don't want it to like transfer onto the side walls. So I've got some frog tape. But yeah, I'll let you know how I got on with that. I've not ever used it before. I thought you just use masking tape, but apparently frog tape is the way to go. So yeah, I think I will start off with the 2 sort of big purchases that I got from B&M. So the first big thing that I got, and the most expensive thing, was $9.99, and it's a bit annoying because I would have wanted it in black, I think, to match our shoe rack that we've got. But I basically bought this trolley. I don't know if you can see, so it's a chrome 4-tier multi-purpose trolley, you can see on the picture here, and I bought it for our understairs cupboard just so we can organise it a bit more. But it basically looks exactly like our shoe rack, but a little bit taller, and it's chrome, but I really wish it was black, so maybe I'll buy some like black spray paint at some point and just spray it maybe. I don't know, but we definitely needed some kind of storage in there, and I don't know if we're going to shelve it out or not in the future, but I thought this was like a good temporary solution for there, because we currently have like cereal boxes that don't fit in the cupboard on the worktops in the utility, and I just want them to like be tucked away, and it'll just be a lot easier to organise things in there at the moment. I think like our routers in there, and it's literally just like balanced on a box and it keeps falling down, and literally you should see what it's like in there. So I'm going to tidy it up and just kind of make it all neat and tidy. I bought a few other things to help me tidy it as well. So yeah, I'll probably do that in a vlog later on this week, and we'll just give it a good old tidy before and after, you know. But yeah. Oh, and then randomly in here I bought some foil from Tesco's, but that's not part of this video. But the next big thing I got was, I mean, it was only like $3.99, but I got another washing basket. I have a grey one of these, which I use to put like the dirty laundry in, but I need somewhere to put the clean laundry in, sort of specifically the ironing. So yeah, I got a pink one for that, which I just think is cute, and I like how it has like the curved bit here so you can rest it on your hip. I mean, I might keep the grey one for ironing and use this one as the laundry basket to like carry it around. But yeah, I like pink if you can't tell. But yeah, that was like the next big thing I bought, I guess. So I bought quite a few sort of cleaning products as well, but before we get onto them, I'll probably start with like non-cleaning items, since that kind of carries on from like the other things that I bought, the bigger things, I guess. But I just got some more command hooks. I got a super strong one here and 2 medium ones, just to help me tidy the cupboard up more, as there's loads of coats. That's why we keep all of our coats, and some of them are on the floor, some of them are on like one of these big old strong ones, so we just needed another one really. And I also got some more hooks. I don't know if I'll keep these or not. I think the command hooks were like £2.50 for each packet. I mean, I know they're expensive, but they're gonna do the job. And then I bought these like over the door hooks. These are only £2, so I thought, well, if I can either take them back if they don't like fit over our doors properly, as our doors are quite thick now looking at them, so I'm not sure. They might fit over, but yeah, these might help hang up our coats as well. So we'll just see how we get on with them really. If not, I'll probably take these ones back. And then yeah, pretty much on to cleaning products, I guess. So the first thing I got some scrub daddies. I've never used these before, but like Mrs. Hinge and loads of other people use them. My mum doesn't recommend them, but then other people, like people I used to work with, did. So I guess I'm just gonna try and use them. I mean, oh, I was like, why does it say dishwasher safe? It says I rinse and clean and can be sanitized in your dishwasher, scratch free, so it's safe to use on non-stick pans. Yeah, so we'll give it a go and see how we get on with it. But the next thing that I got, and I've been wanting to get for ages because it's something that I am obsessed with. I used to literally have an obsession with this in high school. I'm not even joking, ask my mum. But that is Febreeze. And I got 2 of these because Tesco's never, oh for God's sake. Do you know what, I think I bought the wrong one again. I keep buying Spring Awakening and I want to buy Cotton Fresh. I'm such an idiot. I don't like this flavour. I've literally got 4 of these now because I keep buying the wrong one. Let's smell it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it back. Absolutely hate it. Anyway, I bought 2 of these, but I'm gonna have to take them back. So maybe I'll take them back when I pick Matt up from work. I need to buy, I don't like Spring Awakening, I keep buying it. I mean, it's okay, but it's just not, I just don't like it as much as Cotton Fresh. I don't know, it's in my head, but I'm gonna go back and swap them for the Cotton Fresh flavour. But yeah, Febreeze. And then the next thing that I got was some toilet cleaner. I got this Harpic Pink Blossom tropical flavour. I normally buy these in Tesco's and they only have like the blue original, I think. So I thought this was pink. I hope it comes out pink as well. So yeah, I'm excited to see pink in the toilet. I got 2 of these and then I also got one for my mum as well. I also got some more Viacal. If you see my clean with me, I absolutely love this stuff. It's just so good for lime scale. But this is Febreeze Fresh flavour, a little pink one at the bottom. So hopefully it'll smell quite nice because Viacal can be quite like strong on your nose. It's quite heavily scented, so maybe that will be quite nice, but I thought I'd try that. And then I don't really know if I will use this, but I thought this might be good for when we get our cat, because this is the Glade Shake and Back, and I always see people use these, but it says on the back it's like eliminates lingering smells like pet tobacco and cooking odours that get trapped in carpets. I mean, we don't have pets, we don't smoke, so the only thing is like cooking odours. So that might be quite nice to use, but it was only £1, so I thought if I buy it and then I ever feel like I have an odour I need to get rid of, then at least I've got some handy and I can give it a go. For cleaning, I keep seeing people use these on TikTok, and this is the Blue Foam Aroma self-acting fragrance powder, and people like pour these in your toilet and it like fizzes up. So yeah, I bought a blue one, Ocean Mist, and then I also bought Rose and Apple Blossom as well. And then yeah, I'll probably do like another clean with me in the future to like use all of these products, so make sure you hit subscribe so you know when I upload that video. And then finally I just got some shower gel which Matt uses because we always get this in Tesco's, but I think we get like a 200ml bottle and this is 500, and it kind of like works out cheaper per milliliter, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. And then my mum gave me some, when I dropped the toilet cleaner off, she gave me some kettle descaler, so I'm gonna use that as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed coming along to sort of B&M and seeing what I bought from there. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed this video in general. Please don't forget to give me a comment down below if there's any sort of cleaning products you recommend, or you're excited to see how I get on with them. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye everybody.